Welcome to your final video of the day. In this video, we will learn about forms in HTML. Forms are the section of HTML file which is used to get all the user data and send it to the backend of the site. An HTML form contains form elements. Form elements are different types of input elements like text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, submit buttons, and more. Let's see an example for this. All the elements will be encapsulated within form tag. In this example, the first is label. The label is commonly used to give names to the tag in the front end. Here the name for the tag is given as first name, then input type equal to text. It is used to get the input as text, and then last name. For it also input type equal to text, and at last input type equal to submit. It defines a button for submitting the form data to a form handler. When it is executed, it will be appearing like this in the web page. The form handler is typically a page on the server with a script for passing the input data. The form handler is specified in the form action attribute. The two main attributes of form elements are action and method. The action attribute, as said before, defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Usually, it is sent to the backend for processing. The next one is method attribute. The method attribute specifies how form data is to be sent. The two HTTP methods used in the method attribute are get and post. When using get method, the form data will be visible in the target web page URL. Let's see the example. First, let's create the form tag. The first one is action attribute. Action equal to within double quotes. Let's give you a link of Google. When the form is submitted, it will be directed to Google first page. And next one is method attribute. Method equal to within double quotes get. Remember, the get and post method should be given in capital letters, and inside the form, let's create a label tag, label, and give the name as query, and create the input tag as input type equal to text, name equal to query, and give the attribute as required. And then input type equal to submit, name equal to submit. Save the document. Let's see the output. Enter any query in the text area and click the submit button. It will be directed to the Google's first page. And see here, the form data is visible in the URL. Whatever we have given in the form data will be visible in the URL when we use the get method. Okay, as I said in the last video, the usage of required method is this. When we submit the form without filling the text area where the required attribute is given in the input tag, it will be appearing like this. Please fill out this field. This is the usage of the required tag. And the next method is post method. The post method does not display the form data in the page URL. The post method has no size limitation and can be used to send the large amount of data. Just to change the method into post, remember it should be in capitals. See here, the form data is not visible in the URL. We will see how to handle post method in day 4 using PHP. And that's all for HTML forms. I hope now everyone might gain some knowledge in HTML. And that's all for today's session. Thank you. Happy learning.